Yeah, it's go time. You know where we headed? Back in the Mont again. Let's ride. Hit that high-level bridge, Fairmont rolling on the scene. Old school roots with a friendly's lean. Tires hum soft on the main drag beat, where pride runs deep and Ken's still on the street. Flags wave high, red, white, blue and gold. Front porch wisdom from the young and the old. From Palatine nights to the bears and the bees, you can feel that heart fishing under those trees. Back in the Mont again, where the aquarium runs deep and the bond stays strong. Cousins in the backyard sipping by the shed, saying grace for the living and respect for the dead. It is home, it's hard, it's a club with grit. West by God, we never quit. Back in the Mont again, not just a place, it's who we are. Let's roll. AQ vibes, yeah, we loud with the crew. Guy boots shouting, you know what we do. Field club glowing, neon sign. Cat eye shifting in a 6-speed line. Hot dogs loaded, Roni Rolls on deck. Friday night wings, tailgate, grub and check. The bears or the bees, hear the crowd cheer. Fairmont pride running strong round here. Cause he named, that's the badge you wear. Work hard, hit straight, always say a prayer. No short swings here, just time not met. Back to the Mont with no regret. Back in the Mont again, where the aquarium runs deep and the bond stays strong. Cousins in the backyard sipping by the shed, saying grace for the living and respect for the dead. And it's home, it's hard, it's a club with grit. West by God, we never quit. Back in the Mont again, not just a place, it's who we are. Fairmont raised, but it's bigger than birth. It's about the ones who built this dirt. Steel boots, church pews, country charm, and a high school jersey hanging on the barn. Cause he pride like a mountain, deep like coal, singing country roads from the depths of the soul. No matter where I wander, no matter how far, back in the Mont again, that's who we are. Back in the Mont again, where the aquarium runs deep and the barn